Greetings everyone, this is video number 2. Putting another video together today. The initial delivery of the motorcycle up in Pennsylvania, that's going to be the first photo that you see. It's a still, and then I'm going to transition into the video. The video is going to be the initial discovery and teardown of what is required to start the maintenance process, get the bike up in shape. I may put the following video, I may put it together to make one total video, mainly because a lot of the video that I took was pretty short stuff. Some of it as little as 1.5 minutes, and then some of it is as much as 3 minutes. So it's gonna take some time to get this all together as far as what makes sense in a video. But again, I'm learning, so hang tight folks, and let's see how it goes. Appreciate you. 2003 Softail, standard. We just picked up as a project bike. We got it from up north, so we just got back with it yesterday. It's gonna need some TLC. I got a set of bars for it. It's got a lot of pitted chrome, rustiness all over the place. The rear wheel needs attention. I got a front wheel for it. I'm gonna freshen it up, make it look nice and pretty, clean it up. I just rode around a block. It runs really good. It's an unmolested 2003. It still has the original. Come over here, Lena, please. Lena, this way. It still has the original air cleaner box. This has never been taken off or changed. So that's good. I mean, it's all good. Change the oil, change the fluids, wheel bearings, fix the chrome, got a new seat for it, got a set of bars. We're gonna make this thing look nice and flip it. So we're back on the bike today, late in the afternoon. I had a few things to run to do this morning. I had to pick up a center stand lift, scissor lift. This is gonna turn into a restoration more than just I imagined, because it is so rusty. Look at this. That thing is rock hard. This is totally misadjusted. I was gonna do wheel bearings anyway. I was gonna powder coat the wheel and put new spokes on it anyway. So the wheel's coming off, and the tank will be coming off soon. The handlebars will be coming off soon. Just to kind of give a brief where we're at right now. This is going to be a labor of love. It's going to be fun. I'm going to enjoy it, and then we're going to make it beautiful. So for now, catch you later.